In general, near any of our roosts, whether it be natural or the bridge unnatural, we try to just be quiet around them. We don't want to disturb them too much.
For the sake of science, an eastern small-footed bat received an early wake-up call.
They're a very rarely observed species because they're so small. Not a lot is known about them, so we just kind of want to do a study and see their general roosting characteristics, see where they're going, see how far they're going between their roost sites, just a general overview of this species.
Studying bats is completely fascinating because bats are highly mobile, nocturnal, and fairly cryptic, so not much is known about bats relative to many other species of wildlife.
Yeah, he's got pretty gnarly tail damage.
Indiana State University Assistant Professor of Biology Joy O'Keefe journeyed to the Appalachian Mountains in southern Tennessee and northern North Carolina with students to research the eastern small-footed bat and the Indiana bat.
I think it's tremendously important to get the students out in the field and have them experience hands-on what it takes to be a researcher.
It's definitely going to be a good reference no matter where I go because of the vast variety of techniques and skills and stuff that is required for this job and that I'm honing and learning.
That hands-on experience makes it real. That's the big thing from the very get-go. It reinforces why you spend all those hours in the library. Lack of sleep, stressed over tests.
While one team of students studied eastern small-footed bats and outfitted them with transmitters, another team caught and stuck transmitters to federally endangered Indiana bats.
They were only discovered to be roosting here in the summer about 10 or 12 years ago, and we're following up on some of the early pilot work to get a better understanding of what types of trees those bats are using.
Both teams followed the transmitter signals to discover where the bats roosted. Some of their findings surprised them.
We found a great maternity roost that I think our highest number was in the 70s.
Our first bat actually moved 5.5 miles from our bridge where we took it out. So that was a whole new experience. It took us 4 days to find him. The good thing was that he was roosting in a rock crevice like we expected him to. So that's the kind of habitat we're expecting our bats to roost in, and he was roosting in that. It was just a lot farther than we ever imagined he would go.
For Indiana State University, with videographer Sean Kennedy, I'm Jennifer Sicking.